Welcome to folding a paper airplane. What we're going to start with is looking at our paper airplane template that I kit. I want you to start off by finding all the numbers. Here's the number 1. The number 2 is going to be on the other side. There's the number 2. Do you see the number 3? For me it's upside down, but it's right here. And then there's the number 4. And there's the number 5. And 6. 7. Is there an 8? We'll have to look on the other side. Oh. Interesting. Over here there's a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 also. We'll have to see how this works out. The instructions are to fold on the lines starting from number 1 and to always be making what we would call a valley fold, where you're folding one side towards the other and it makes kind of a V shape. So on that number 1 line, you see, we've got our first fold we're doing here. We're going to fold on this number 1 line. I know that's halfway across the paper, so I bring my corners together and I hold that corner down. And I line up my corners over here and I hold that corner down. And I push my fingers along this fold. Now here is fold number 2. I'm going to fold along this number 2 line, fold that down, and when I do, I see that that other number 4 line becomes part of this number 4 line. So I'm getting some idea how these are going to work together. Now my number 3 was right over here on the other side. It's the same kind of line as number 2. I'm going to fold on that, and I can see that my number 5 line lines up with the other number 5 line. Basically, I can make that line up a little better, I think. There we go. Now that was 2, 3. Now I need a 4, and 4 is right here. So I'm going to fold down on 4. And I can see that my line number 6 is lining up with itself here. I like this pattern. It's helping me fold straight because this line lines up with that line. Now that was fold number 4. We fold that down, and then we turn the plane over again, and we're going to fold on fold number 5. And my number 7 line lines up with itself over here, basically. See how I refolded that a little sharper to try to make that number 7 line work a little bit better? I think I got it better that time. Now, it's very close to an airplane shape. There are only 2 more important folds to do. Fold number 6, right here. Oh, that's nice. They have a little NASA logo on the wing there for you. And fold number 7. Now here we've got, let's see if we can get a good view of it there. Here we've got this paper airplane. It's got one NASA logo on the bottom. It says NASA Glenn right here. PA2, that stands for Paper Airplane 2. And it's ready to fly. Now remember, when you're flying a paper airplane, you want to launch it holding it kind of from the middle. And you want to just kind of let it go as you push it forward in the air. Don't be too hard when you're throwing it. Good luck and good flying.